yung mga magagandang version ng mga albo, guys. Tingnan nyo, klarong-klaro yung kulay na yung half is maniwala kayo, this is a large Jose Bono. So, eto, super laki. Let me put my hand. Oh, ayan. They are healthy kasi yung leaves nila parang tingnan nyo yung mga black cardinals, guys. Ayan, nandito sila and super dami. Tingnan nyo yung itsura, parang ano ba yun? Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Eto ba yung Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we are back. And with Ate Joy. So if you have been with us for quite some time, you are familiar where we are. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you're ready, let's begin. For those of you who do not know why we are here, syempre hindi ko pa na-explain, pero totoo, we are back. We have been here last month yata yon, and then we are back today kasi pinabalik ang dumating na yung may-ari. So, ayun, babalikan ko kayo mamaya so I can explain later.
A few moments later.
So, we are back, and for those of you who asked where is this, we are at Dumaluan. So, this is really Marilu Beach Resort at Panglao, Bohol, guys. And we have been here kasi dito ko napakita yung sobrang daming pink princess. And now we are back. So, papakita ko. You have seen the monstera thycon. And ngayon, super healthy na siya tingnan. Maybe the time that we were here, ano pa siya, bagong tanim. Pero ngayon, it is bouncing back. So, tingnan nyo, super ganda na. They have new plants here. Most of it came from Davao daw. So, titingnan natin. Marami na silang mga new plants ngayon. They have a huge variegated jungle fever. So, ito, super kamukha nung jungle fever na meron kami. Ayan. So, this is it. Pero sobrang laki na niya. This came from Davao as well. And it is placed in a huge pot. So, ayan, medyo grand talaga yung itsura ng pot nila. And also, those plants that we featured on their 5th floor, nandito na sila ngayon. So, the huge Philodendron marcianum or the pop-eye is already here. So, sobrang laki talaga ng mga dahon. So, ayan, the size of my hand is really far from how big the leaves are. So, sobrang laki. And also, the black cardinal. So, ito yung black cardinal na hindi pa nila napopropagate. They transferred it here. And they have huge cardboards as well. So, yung mga Anthurium ginmanii, they have it here. Ito, sobrang ganda. So, tingnan nyo yung itsura. Parang, ano ba yun? Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Ito ba yung compacta na malaki? I don't know if this is the cardboard na compacta. You may comment that down below if you think I'm wrong. So, feel free to put your correction so I'll be able to see it. And ito, I do not know if this is the twisted cardboard. Pero parang ano kasi, merong mga twist-twist yung dahon niya. And super laki na. So, ito galing din to. Uy, parang pagoda yata to. So, comment that down below naman kung mas kilala nyo to. Kasi sobrang laki talaga. Na-amaze ako, guys. So, this is my hand. And try to look at the size of the leaf. So, sobrang laki na talaga niya. So, marami silang mga bago dito. Most of these cardboards na nandito are talagang mga bago daw. Galing Davao pa to. So, tinransport all the way from Davao to Bohol. So, eto, tinransfer yung mga pink princess dito. They really have a lot of pink princesses. From that time, na na-video namin to, as far as I remember, I told you na they have 46 pink princesses. Pero, ano kasi, nakita ako na meron ng pinopost si ma'am. So, nagbibenta na siya. But not really everything here for sale. So, meron silang maganda dito. Look at this variegated. Ano, super ganda. Ano ba yan? Parang variegated na cardboard, guys. I'm just really not sure. Let me try to see it well. Parang variegated na cardboard. Pero, ewan ko. So, kilala nyo ba yan? Basta variegated siya. And, meron silang Philodendron pastazanium. Is that how I should pronounce it? Nako, you may correct me na lang ha. And then, all the black cardinals are being placed here. So, tingnan niyo yung mga black cardinals, guys. Ayan, nandito sila and super dami. So, they have a lot of black cardinals. And for those of you who are looking for some black cardinal, so, nandito, guys, sa Marilu Beach Resort, they have a lot here. Parang ilang pots yata to. Super dami. From there, pag ganun siya, sa dami niya. Ayan. Per pot, sobrang dami. And then, they still have the huge Royal Queen and the Red Congo. And they still have the golden pots that they have before. Although, merong iba dito na iba na yung shape. Unlike how it looks like before. So, the pole, meron kasing nagtanong kung ano yung ginamit. Parang wire mesh yata to. Tapos, meron silang cable tie na nilagay. And then, merong shredded coconut fiber dyan sa loob. So, eto guys, this is really a good type of pole kasi makakakapit talaga yung mga ugat dahil meron siya mga square-square na butas dyan. So, I know you can relate with what I'm telling right now. So, for those plant lovers, alam na alam nyo yung sinasabi ko. And there is a beautiful super boom here. So, eto yung super boom. And baby pa siya. But, with proper care naman to and merong mga vitamins na yan. So, alam ko baka makakabalik kami dito in the future and super laki na nito. Kasi super dami ng improvements. Ngayon na nagbalik kami dito kasi lumaki na yung mga plants nila and meron ng mga nagka-climb. Talagang nag-thrive yung mga plants and they're growing well. So, marami silang mga variegated na anthurium foliage dito, guys. So, this is the silver satin pothos. Sobrang ganda pala nito and super laki na. So, kasi yung nakita ko, syempre, bumili kami ng worth 100 pesos lang na pothos. Ano siya, maliit. So, ito ngayon, malalaki. Ayan, let's try to compare. So, my hand is really the size reference because Gerald is somewhere. Meron kasi yung ibang part dito na ayun, madami ding plants and wala before. So, yun yung tinitingnan nila. So, this is as well another way on how you can propagate your anthuriums, guys. Kapag meron ng bunga dyan, once meron ng isang nalaglag, pwede nyo nang i-harvest yung mga seeds na yan and itanim sa kanya-kanyang mga maliliit na pot. And then tutubo yan, just like how I showed you those small anthuriums, mga maliliit na Black Marie. Ganon namin siya tinanim, guys. Kaya meron na kami. And patience lang talaga. Patience is a virtue. Tutubo din and dadami sila. Just be prepared with those maliliit na pots para sure na makatubo sila on its own. So, I have here the Epipremnum na Aurea. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na kamukha ng golden pothos. But ito, guys, nag-form na talaga. So, ito siya. Meron na siyang mga slits. So, ayan, klaro na talaga na Epipremnum siya. So, ito. Yung nakalagay dito is Ep Aurea. And then, they have the Florida Beauty. Look how beautiful the Florida Beauty is. So, ayan. This is really the first time that I'm seeing it up close. So, ito. And this is the Florida Mint. So, ito. Florida Mint yata. Ito, Florida Mint yata yung tawag kapag pure green lang. But, kapag merong mga variegation na ganyan, yellow, Florida Beauty. And then, kapag may all white or half of it is white, yun yung Florida Ghost. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, ito yung Crystal Hope. And they have the Humalumina here. So, ito yung Humalumina na plain and they have the variegated Humalumina as well. So, makikita nyo, sobrang dami ng mga patches sa leaves. Ito yung mga variegations niya. And, meron mga golden cardboards as well here. So, ayan. Meron silang ilaw dito. Ayan. May pa-ilaw dito. So, solar light daw yan. And they have a beautiful silver sword. So, ayan. Diba? Super haba na din. Oh, take a look at it. Take a look at it and kindly use my hand as a size reference. Ayan. Pahaba talaga siya. And you can see na sobrang healthy niya kasi yung dahon niya, yung tubo ng dahon pa-upright talaga. So, hindi siya pa-down. So, it's really thriving well. Although, wala pa siyang pole, guys. Mas maganda kung pinupole to. Pero, I know lalagyan nila to ng pole kasi alagaan nila lahat ng plants nila dito. And eto, kamukha siya ng mycans. Pero, I'm really not sure. Meron yata tong pangalan na nakalimutan ko na pero walang nakalagay kasi dito and malalaki yung dahon niya. Another variegated Humalumina is here. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Parang half of its leaf light green or parang yellow green and the other half is dark green. So, ito sobrang dami. Merong mga Monstera Aurea So, most of the plants na nakita nyo last time, dun sa 5th floor, nandito sila. So, ayan, meron din silang Philodendron mirabilis. So, eto siya, tingnan nyo. Super ganda. O, diba? Ito yon. And this is the Lindenay. So, ayan, magkatabi sila. There's another beautiful one here. Mirabilis din yata to. Pero, this is very much bigger compared to this one. Parang baby to, while this one is the larger version. They have Jose Bonos, guys. They really have a lot of Jose Bonos here. And ito, maliit na kurong. Anthurium kurong or Anthurium brownii. So, parang scientific name na yata yung brownii. And they are usually calling it Anthurium kurong. Nandito siya. And I have shown you Anthurium kurong nung nag-plant tour kami dun sa bahay ni Madam Esther. So, eto naman yung mga Jose Bonos nila, guys. Sobrang dami. Ayan. They really have a lot of Jose Bonos here. And meron mga Anthurium magnificum. Ito na blank na to. So, ayan. Ito, merong mga malalaking Jose Bono na meron talagang mga osmocote na nakalagay. Para binavitamins yata ito. And hindi lang Jose Bono, Pink Princesses, and Black Cardinal yung madami dito. They also have a lot of Monstera Thigh Constellations and even the Monstera albo. So, tingnan niyo yung Monstera albo. Ito siya. Yung Monstera Thicon kasi, guys, yung variegations niya or yung mga patches na makikita natin, medyo yellow. But ito mga albo, more on white. Yung makikita nating variegations. Ayan. Ito sila madami. Meron pa akong nakitang white wizard dun sa entrance. So, ayan. Ito, sobrang dami na mga albo dito, guys. Oh, ayan. Although, merong iba na kung titingnan natin, katatanim lang. So, kasi maybe kalilipat lang ito dito. Ayan. They have a dark Anthurium kurong as well. Kurong basta. I don't know if kurong pa din ba yan. Pero kasi dark siya. Nakalimutan ko. Meron akong nakita na ganyan eh. Tapos may pangalan siya. Nakalimutan ko talaga. So, if kilala nyo, you may comment it down below. This one is beautiful as well. Parang Anthurium din to. Kapaki-comment na lang din. Alam ko naman, marami sa inyo ang nakakakilala. Not really sure if brownie eye din ba to. Tapos, ito yung mga pidatum. Ayan, guys. Ayan, hindi ako makalapit kasi may nakaharang dito. Tingnan nyo. So, hindi ako makakalapit dun sa area na yon. Ito, merong mga maliliit. Pothos ba to? Ayoko nang magsalita kasi baka wrong na naman ako. This one, Dobia ba to? Basta sure ako, yan yung last nito. So, ito, meron silang dark form. Ito yung napakita ko. Ganito yon. I have shown you the black bilite. So, ito din yung version nila dito. Maliit pa daw to. Kakabili lang. So, they really have a lot of plants here. And if hindi ka sanay na makikita ng mga ganitong plants, so, kwentahin nyo na lang kung magkano yung ginastos dito. Because, I know for sure, sobrang laki ng gastos. So, sabi nga ni ma'am, hindi basta-basta yung ganitong hilig. So, this one is beautiful as well. Not really sure if this is a Mexicanum, pero parang kamukha eh. Tapos, ito yung Jungle Fever and the Red Congo. They have ability here. And ito yung mga magagandang version ng mga albo, guys. Tingnan nyo, klarong-klaro yung kulay na yung half is white and yung another half is green. So, ito, nakalinya lahat ng mga albo dito. And they have small Monstera albos, guys. So, baka medyo kaya lang to and maa-afford nyo lang din. Just for those of you who would wanna hoard more plants and you are into Monstera, so they have a lot here. Sobrang dami. Parang nakakalula na tingnan. Maraming mga bagong tanim, but hindi naman nakakasad. Kasi the last time we were here, yung mga Thicon nila, ganito pa din yung itsura. Not really that healthy pa tingnan. Pero ngayon, sobrang nag-bounce back na and sobrang buhay na buhay na. So, those Monstera Thicon that I am telling you about, nandun malapit sa entrance. So, ayan, eto sila. They're so beautiful now. And you can really tell na they are healthy kasi yung leaves nila parang pa-upright na, 'di ba? Hindi na palaylay yung tubo. So, ito yung mga white wizard, guys. This is what I'm trying to tell you na merong white wizard dito sa entrance. Dati, yung mga nakalagay dito, mga Paraiso Verde. Pero ngayon, ito, mga white wizard na yung nakalagay. So, look at this. Look how beautiful the variegation is. And, eto, tingnan nyo. Parang almost all of the leaf is covered with white. Parang nag-variegate yung leaf talaga. There is also a variegated burl marks in here. So, ayan, sobrang dami ng plants na nandito. For those who told me na hindi mayo yon, so baka ito yon. So you are telling me that radiatum talaga yon. Meron sila dito as well. So ayun, sobrang dami ng plants na nandito. And I'm just so happy that we came back para ipakita sa inyo yung mga bagong plants that they have. And I think I'm gonna having a part 2. So it has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, tap the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Meron pa palang linet dito. Tapos may mga royal queen. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung burgundy, guys. Meron pa pala dito. And there is a huge Jose Bono. So, may napakita ako kaninang maliliit. Pero ngayon, oh, ayan. Para maniwala kayo, this is a large Jose Bono. So, ito, super laki. Let me put my hand. Oh, ayan. Do you have the idea how big it is right now? Sobrang laki, guys. Ayan, ito yata, daing ampon to or cherry red. Mukhang cherry red siya. It's more on cherry red. Mukha din siyang daing ampon. Look, guys, there is one beautiful plant in here. Yung pangalan niya, Mexica. I do not know if it's really Mexica or how do you call it. Pero, yun yung nakalagay dito. You can see it. You can see the tag. So, you'll be able to see kung totoo yung sinasabi ko. But, if you have other names for this, feel free to comment it down below. I'll be